Good day all. Well, I'm at the pigs. These ones were the ones which we're growing. As you can see, they're nice, healthy young porkers that we have here, and they are growing out very well. Normally, when we get here, these things are already thinking about food and ready to eat, and that means that it's not always a good idea to come here. Well, these are the two which we are going to be the new. They're going to be the first new group of sows. They will be giving birth for their first time once we get them to the age or the months that we want them to start. But they are ready for mating. So right now we are just about to get them mated, and once we get them mated, then we look forward to their first group of kids. Well, we had to buy a male pig. This is the male pig. This is the female. This female is too big. I believe that it is not able to do the job, and we have actually just been watching to see if it has been able to do. We have seen that it has failed. So what does this mean? It means that most likely we'll have to either get rid of this female, which is a sad thing because as you can see it's nice and healthy and big, and then we try to make sure that this male is only able to mate with the ones at its own body size and be able to mount it, because right now it's having difficulties mounting. So these are the kind of challenges that we do have. This challenge we had because we had this pig before, this one, and then the male pig that we had died, so we were left in a position whereby we had no more, we could not have any male, and getting a male this side was being very difficult. So now we have been forced to either buy to sell it, and most likely we're going to be slaughtering it very soon. Well, I think that is it about the pigs. Nothing really much to say about them. Well, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Until next time, have a good day.